What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mo. Today we're going to do a battery change on a Tesla fob. This fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob and flip it over so we're looking at the bottom, and then we look at the rear of it, we're going to see this little notch right here. What you want to do is grab your screwdriver and put in that notch, and then that bottom cover will come off like that. After you get the cover off, we can see our battery here, and you can use that screwdriver to help get under the edge of it and get it out. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. And we'll grab our cover and snap it back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.